Alright, still working out of issue book 13, stage 49, or as I like to call it, pack 49. Alright, first up we got our warp filled grills, which are just these like half circle clear plastics. You got to nest the smaller one into the larger one. Don't know if it matters which way, but let me see if I can get this to show up. There is like little spots here, here. They're kind of like rough spots. I'm just going to line those up because it's symmetric that way. And push it down, push it in there, because once it's in, that ain't coming out. Don't know what the point of that is. Why it's designed that way, probably with their plastic, how they had to make the plastic. They could probably only do a certain thickness, I bet. Then you're going to take this, they call them little stickers, but it's just like a piece of skinny tape. They want you to tape these two together, and these things are not going to fall apart. There's no way that's coming out, but we're going to do it. I'm going to use both, just like last time. And let's see. Taped. Now get our port warp nacelle. There's the one we put in last time. Issue or two back, I don't know. This thing just sits up in there. Let's see if I can get mine. Gonna move this piece back. And it's just going to sit in there, and it does sit loose for now. That is a note in the instructions. Now grab our panel, and we are going to be working this, probably an edge panel because it's plastic. These ones, the windows will try to pop back out on you as you're putting them in, so let me twist all of our escape boats, lifeboats out, escape pods, whatever we're calling them, and roll out my windows and put them in. Alright, and our shout out of the vid goes to Ebomi. He asked the question, by the time it's over, how many windows will you have installed? Man! Wow! Oh, I don't know. Richard Stevens, 3625, tries to give him an answer there, but I don't know. I'd have to count them once they're all done, and I guess the short of it is, it's going to be about one more than the last one I put in. Escape pods, red line, orient that way. I know people are putting decals over these as a mod, but I'm not. We're rolling as is with this build. Windows next. Alright, all our windows and lifeboat are in place. Got my BP screws ready. Now I'm going to set this light reflector over top very carefully. A little tight right there on that post. Okay, we got it down. Alright, I just want to make sure my windows don't pop up out of there. Now we do need to slot in our cable bulbs. So go ahead and spread your cable leads out if you haven't. And they're wanting, let's see, as we're oriented here, red one's going to go on this side to my left. Now since I don't have screws in it, I'm going to hold down on the bottom here and kind of slide this under until it's slotted into that post. I may have to raise the reflector up a little bit. At least that was the plan. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to do the same over here. Okay, just like that, until they're both in. Now we're going to be installing 2 of these BP screws, one right here. Snugged, and go ahead and let go of that now. Just want to hold on to it in case, try to keep those windows from popping out. Put the other BP screw in, snug, and these are going into plastic, so just snug them in. Make sure all of our windows, me, are in there. They look good. Pods are in. We'll test out the lights. Give you a little shadow over it, give you a light show. There we go. Oops. Get that connected in. Alright, there's our lights. Not too bad. And that is it. Pack 49 is done. Not putting the panel on yet, so just got to put this over in the parts pile. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Stay tuned for the next one. We'll go ahead and knock stage 50 out. Boom.